guys, it's your girl DéjaNikira. I'm behind camera this time because I'm going to give this water dyeing method a try. So I'm going to take a unit that I just recently made, probably about a week ago. The hair is from Alipearl. The unit is in a natural brown color, and to be honest, I hate natural brown. I think jet black looks so nice on brown women, dark skinned women, women with melanin, dark brown, jet black just looks popping. So I'm gonna go with, excuse my nails, so I'm gonna go with Adore Jet Black. I'm gonna use, I say, a bottle of this. So I'm just gonna pour it in here. I had boiling water, but I let it cool for a little bit because the steam was so hot that literally the minute I put my hand over the bowl, I almost burnt myself. So I'm gonna just take this comb and mix this water. This water is black. Ooh, this water is black. Okay. So now I'm gonna take the wig. Lord Jesus, I'm scared. And I'm gonna dip it. I'm gonna take my comb. Oh, you just let me splash dye water on my wall. Oh no. No bueno. I'm just gonna take it and I'm gonna submerge the hair in here. We'll see what happens. Now I've watched some videos, some people just like leave it in here, some people dunk it. I'm just gonna use my hand because what I really want to see is if it dyes the lace. Everyone said you don't have to worry about that, but I'm just like not sure on how true that is. Worst comes to worst, I will bleach this lace closure again. So I'm gonna just dip it a couple times and then I'm gonna just let it sit. This water is hot, so please, yes, proceed with caution. For I do not want anyone to burn themselves in the name of bomb hair. I mean, is it worth it? Kinda. Alright, so I'm gonna put my timer on. I'm gonna put this in for 5 minutes and see, like, I'm about to be pissed because my lace looks black. We gonna see, maybe when I wash it out. Whatever. We're gonna just submerge that and I'm gonna come back in 5 minutes. Alright guys, 5 minutes is up. It's actually been a little longer than 5 minutes. I got sidetracked talking to my grandma. But I'm going to take this out. I'm actually just gonna take the hair back to the sink. Off camera, I'm gonna wash using my Shea Moisture shampoo and conditioner. I do use expensive shampoos on my extensions. I just feel like, why not just take care of your hair? So whatever it is, what it is. I don't buy 2 separate ones. But I'm gonna go wash this out and then I'm gonna let it air dry instead of blow drying it this time, and then we'll come back and style it. I'm just a confused mess right now. Like, just, honestly, don't go chasing waterfalls. Just stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. Because I'm not used to this water method dyeing thing. I'm used to the good old brush and dye in a bowl. And we stroke it on nicely. And I was so pissed when I took this hair out. Like, I was so pissed. I didn't finish straightening my hair. I wasn't even gonna film this video. Then I said, this is authentic, trial and error. Why not just tell everyone that you completely effed up? And now I'm sitting here in front of the camera, in front of this light, and it looks black to me. So I don't know for sure what's going on right now. Maybe this method is really useful when dyeing 613 blonde hair and not natural brown hair to jet black. Like, I don't know. I'm honestly, I'm a little confuddled. Am I seeing things? Is this black, y'all? Is this me? Am I just tired? Do I need to just go to sleep? Because I really don't know what's going on. So I'm gonna say that it worked because this looks black. Now this is starting to look black. I don't know. But I want to add some layers to my hair, like right here, like to frame my face some like that. That would look cute if I straighten it and frame my face. Yeah, right? I think I'm gonna do that right now. Or maybe am I just gonna wet it and let it go wavy again? I don't know. My attitude has completely changed now that it looks black. I'm like in such a good mood. Before I was just gonna rip this thing off, go wash my face, and then go get back in bed because I was over it. I just recently posted a video of me dyeing a client's hair, client's wig, red and a bright red, and I realized I should have did the water dyeing method, but I didn't want to experiment on a client's wig. Like, that's not the time to try something new. So when my hair comes in, I'm gonna try it because I want to do this unicorn look. So I'm gonna do a unicorn look, and we're gonna give it a go then. But listen, if y'all think it's black and it looks black to you, and this is, I don't edit my videos in like the lighting and the color and stuff like that. I don't edit it. What you get right here is what it is. So if this looks black to y'all, then go ahead and give it a try. But yeah, guys, this has been a real frustrating 30 minutes. Because had you seen me in here having a whole fit, because I could not tell if my hair was black or not, y'all would have called me crazy. Because I was in here like, Code 9, pimp down, pimp in distress. I was going through it. I was gonna give you a tutorial on how I would probably layer my hair, but honestly, I'm not even doing that tonight. It's 10:30 and I have to be at work in my classroom, ready for my kids to come bright and early. So I gotta go to bed. On that note, y'all stay breezy. Add me on my social media. Subscribe, like, thumbs up, hit the notification bell button. And stay cute and stay blessed, y'all. Till next time.